Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Oppo supports Qi wireless charging. This matters because incompatible models won't charge. Next, choose a Qi pad rated 5W to 15W and pair it with a QC or PD wall adapter for stable power. Once done, remove thick cases, metal, or magnetic accessories. These block alignment and slow charging. You're now ready to position the phone. Place it flat and centered. Make sure the pad sits on a stable, cool surface to prevent over. Now align the Oppo wireless coil with the charger center. This ensures maximum current transfer and faster charge. You'll often see an LED or hear a tone. Use that feedback and nudge the phone until the charging icon appears. Make sure the display confirms percentage increase. If not, lift and reposition once or twice. Also, check power saving or battery optimization. Some settings pause wireless input, so make sure they allow charging while idle or locked. Finish by leaving the Oppo undisturbed until it reaches the desired charge. Heavy use generates heat and slows wireless input. If charging fails, first swap the USB cable and wall adapter, then try another certified Qi pad to isolate the fault. If still stuck, restart the phone, remove the case, and check for system updates. Sometimes firmware improves coil detection. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a different phone on the same pad. If that phone charges, the issue is the Oppo settings or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.